Hey folks, what a gorgeous day it's been across the valley again today. Bright sunshine, low humidity, and a cool start. Look at these numbers. This is where we started the day today. Our morning lows and those two in blue are record lows, 54, 55, McAllen and Weslaco. Everybody else pretty close to that. It was a little chillier out west at Falcon, 46 out there, 46. It's September. 52 San Manuel at Edinburgh, and then you get to the island, and Laguna Vista checked in with a low of 59 degrees this morning. So we'll talk more about the records and just how unusual these readings were for September coming up a little bit later on. In the meantime, we did warm back up. Sunshine and dry air is a recipe for quick ups and quick downs in the temperature. When the air is dry, it can warm very easily, and when it's dry, it can also cool off quickly at night. So you start in the 50s, you climb up into the 80s, a range of about 35 degrees today from the low to the high. Dew points are still low, mostly still in the 40s and 50s across the region, and put that on the muggy meter, there you are, down in that dry range. Even the high dew points are still comfortable, so really a nice afternoon across the region. Now, our humidity forecast as we look forward the next 7 days shows that the humidity will come back up. Dew points will climb. Those numbers on the right are the dew points. Remember, the higher they get, the more oppressive it is, and in the summertime, we're up between 75 and 80. But now even the highest dew point here is not quite 70 by the time we get to the end of the week and the weekend. So still more comfortable than summertime as far as the humidity goes. Low temperatures tonight again should be upper 50s and low 60s, so not quite as cool as last night. And your high temperatures tomorrow, upper 80s, maybe low 90s out in the west, but a lot of sunshine and the air still relatively dry. The normal high for this time of year is 89. We probably won't make it tomorrow, but we'll be close, about 88. Same thing on Friday, and then 91 degrees on Saturday. Satellite's been very quiet over South Texas today, so let's push back and look at the whole state. And indeed, it has been quiet statewide. High pressure is in control. It's going to kind of stay over the Gulf and kind of weaken a little bit. That front to the north is going to slide down into the region probably late Thursday into Friday and then just die right on top of us. Impact of that front, probably nothing at all. So I think that leaves us with dry weather all the way into the weekend, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We don't expect much to change as we get into the weekend either. So for tonight, clear skies, cool, 60 for a low, and then tomorrow we're back up to 88, sunny skies, a warm afternoon, northeasterly winds shifting around to the east at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Here's your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days, and we keep temperatures in the upper 80s and low 90s into the weekend and then back off just a couple degrees early next week, courtesy of another very weak cool front. A front like the one this week, pretty rare for this time of year. We'll talk about just how rare it has been. If you enjoyed this morning, we'll tell you why it was so cool with your First Warn 5 forecast update coming up a little bit later on.